Hi, welcome to Prodec. Prodec is a professional manufacturer of acoustic pods and modular space solutions, founded to solve one of the biggest challenges in modern environments: noise, distraction, and the lack of private spaces. As open offices, hybrid work, and high-density public spaces become more common, people need quiet, flexible, and comfortable environments to focus, communicate, and rest. That's where Prodec comes in. Since 2020, operating from our 7,000 square meter manufacturing facility, we have been designing and producing high-quality acoustic phone booths, meeting pods, and customized modular spaces for clients around the world. Our products are not limited to offices. Today, Prodec solutions are widely used across many industries, including universities, airports, government service centers, training institutions, and event venues. We also develop customized pods for home theaters, gaming rooms for Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch, mother and baby rooms, prayer rooms, smoking rooms, and self-service government booths, each designed to meet specific functional, acoustic, and safety requirements. At Prodec, everything is built in-house, from aluminum structures and acoustic systems to lighting, ventilation, and final assembly. As an Intertek-certified Super Factory, we follow strict quality control and international standards to ensure reliable performance and long-term durability. Our pods have been trusted by leading institutions such as Oxford University, Tsinghua University, Canon, Toyota, Beijing Winter Olympics, Hangzhou Asian Games, and Guangzhou Baiyun Airport. At Prodec, we believe better spaces create better experiences. We are committed to building flexible, sustainable, and human-centered environments, where people can focus, connect, and thrive. Thank you for choosing Prodec.